up, team FULLEST? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake of my canal. So please excuse my morning voice. So today I really want to come and wash my hair. My hair has been like this since I cut it off now. I haven't put any wig. I've just been wearing cap or leaving my hair like this whenever I go outside. And when the weather is kind of bad, I just wear cap. So I just wear like a cap like this, not a wig cap. So today I was like, you know what, I'm tired of leaving my hair like this, and now I want to wear some wig cap. I've purchased some wigs from AliExpress a while ago, a couple of months ago. I thought, you know what, I really want to install one of the wigs, and I thought before I start this installment, I want to give my hair like some really good treatment. My hair has grown a little bit, but I've not been doing so much to it. All I've been doing is spray it with my hair growth spray and moisturize my hair with my Blow Magic hair moisturizer and oil my hair. That is all I have been doing. I have not been doing so much. So today I thought, you know what, I want to come and do like an onions juice hair mask, and then later on do some deep conditioner and then moisturize it, put on my wig cap. So I'm also kind of cooking downstairs this morning because I want to do like an early morning I want to do like an early morning cook so that I don't have to cook in the evening. I can just relax. So, and I'm making some jollof rice, and I have the blender filled with the sauce that you make jollof rice with. So I was a little bit too lazy to kind of like pour it into a different container because I'm still in the process of blending stuff. I thought, let me take my mini juice blender and blend my onions. So I have this one in the bathroom. I have made some 2 onions that I have washed and peeled off the skin, and I have made some cup and filter to get the onions juice. I also have made some container to put the onions juice so that I can apply it into my scalp like this and give it a good massage. I have a plastic bag somewhere around here. And yeah, that is it. So this is what I want to come and do. I'm sure you all know how to blend onions. It's not a difficult thing. I've already charged my juice blender. This is something I use whenever I make juice on the go, and I've already charged it, so it's fully charged. So now what we're going to do, we're going to cut the onions and put it in here. Because I'm not going to add any water into this, you got to really you got to really cut the onions really tiny, so to make the blending process a little bit easy. If you have a big blender, it's more easier. I just a little bit too lazy to wash the blender, empty the blender, wash it, and then wash it again, and then reblend my stuff again. Just a little bit too lazy. So I thought, use my juice blender, you know, it's just the same. And onions is not a bad thing anyway, so it's good. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So now I'm going to take my onions, I'm going to cut it into like really tiny pieces and blend that. So I'm sure you all know all of this process. You know the process of blending, so I'm not going to install that into this video. I'm just gonna blend this, and then I'll show you guys the blending process. I'm gonna cut everything, show you guys the blending process. So this is me after blending the onions in my smoothie blender, and now I'm just trying to extract the onions juice from the onions. So I got this really small mini shifter from Shane. I was looking for something and I come across this, and I was like, oh, this is really nice, and I got it. I'm definitely going to get more because this is so good. So I'm putting the onions juice into that cup. Later I'm going to put it into the bottle. This process was quite easy, actually. It was quite easy, even though the onions didn't really blend as smoothly as I would want to, because I cut the onions and I just kind of add everything into the blender. I didn't really add any water because the purpose was to get like the 100% onions juice without no water. And because the blender is very small and it's a smoothie blender, it didn't really blend as soft as I would want to. But
never mind. Anyway, I still end up getting my onions juice, and that was enough for my hair because my hair is not that really long. So now I'm just gonna put everything aside, and when I'm done with the entire process, I'm going to be washing, cleaning all of those mess. So now this is me. I got a towel around my neck because the smell and the the smell of the onions. You know how when you are cutting onions, your eyes you'll be crying for no reason. Like I was having that kind of feeling in my eyes. But I was like, you know what? Let me just do this and leave it. And my head was itchy. Like I was having this kind of like tinkling, like this really tinkling sensation going on in my head. And I was not even done. I wasn't even started yet with this process, and I was already having like this tinkling sensation, and my head was itchy. It was itchy, like really scratching because of the tingling sensation I was having with this onions juice. The smell actually, it's not that really bad because I'm home. When I'm done, I'm going to wash it out, and so you're not going to really smell the smell in it. And I really kind of loved it. I give it a quite a good massage. I kind of like speed this video, but I really massage my head for like 10 to 15 minutes, you know. The only annoying thing about this is the onions juice dripping all over your body, like dripping all over your face, your neck. So make sure you wear something dirty, not dirty, but like an old clothes, you know, like an old clothes that you wouldn't mind if it get messy. So I just had my bathrobe on because I know when I'm done, I can just easily take it off and put it in the washing machine. And it will clean because of the smell. So yeah, that was what I was doing. So just I want to get the onions juice all over my head. So I was really massaging. I was paying more attention on my edges. You guys know if you guys watch one of my short videos that I posted on my YouTube channel, you guys will know that I show you guys how my edges were really bad. That time I was relaxing before I cut this, before I did a big chop, before I decided, you know what, I don't want to do this relaxer thing anymore. I want to go back to natural. And my edges was something else. So I really focused the onions oil on my edges. I also have onion oil that I make, and whenever I am home, I know I'm not going anywhere. I kind of take that oil, I put it on my edges, massage it for a couple of minutes, and then later on I wash my hair with shampoo, with conditioner. Sorry, I don't always use shampoo on my head. I usually mostly conditioner, and it's very easy. So my head was itchy, like I was just scratching it. It was just because of the tingling sensation of the onions juice. My head was just itchy. I was massaging and I was scratching. So I wanted to give you guys a quick lens check to show you guys where my hair is at this moment. Even though my hair was not that pretty long to do a lens check, but I thought let me guys show you what my hair is looking like. You know, I was telling my friend I wanted to cut my hair because I wanted to go for like this Jericho. You guys know that Aliberry hairstyle, like that cut short hairstyle, but then you needed to relax your hair. So that's the hairstyle I have been eyeing for the summer. And I was talking to my friend. I was like, I wanna relax my hair and cut it and go to the salon and do that style. And she was like, why you always cut your hair? And yeah, so I'm trying to show you guys the front. Do a quick lens check, even though it's not that important. But I just wanted to show you guys where my hair is at this moment. So yeah, but my edges is really growing. You guys can see my edges is coming. small, small. That's the reason why I'm like, I don't really want to do braids. I just put wig and I'm out of the house. When you put wig on, it's much more easier. Braids kind of puts a lot of pressure on your end, on your edges, and that is something that I don't want. My edges is already looking somehow, and I don't want to make it worse than it is. Like at this particular time, I was just done. So now I'm going to take a plastic bag and tie my hair and take a hair tie and also tie my head because I didn't want the onions juice to be dripping. So as you guys can see, I really tie the ends very well, and then I put on my cap. So now I'm going to do chores around the house, cook, clean, do one or two things, and then later I'm going
So
to
guys,
wash.
actually this is late at night. I totally forgot about the hair. I went to cook, I clean, I do other things, and this is late at night. So I thought, you know what? I've leave it in now for a couple of hours, maybe like 3, 4, 5 hours or something, maybe even more than that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take shower. I'm going to take shower, wash the hair out. I'm going to wash it with conditioner. I'm going to be using this conditioner. I got this from TK Maxx. If you guys have watched my detangle video that I did with my daughter, I will leave it for you guys here. I talk about me using this conditioner for detangling. So I'm going to use this one. It's coconut oil and aloe vera. I'm going to use this to do deep conditioner, and I'm going to also mix it a little bit with my onions oil. You guys know I made onion oil. I'm going to show you guys how to make this oil because I've already finished the first bottle. I'm now on the second bottle, and I always like to use this one to make my deep conditioner, mix it with deep conditioner or mix it with any kind of conditioner thing I'm making. So I'm going to show you guys how I make this because this one is almost finished. So now I'm going to quickly take shower, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished result of how my hair is looking. And then tomorrow I will go ahead and do the wig installment for the entire week because I want to do it tomorrow, and then the whole of the week I have wig on. I can still pull it back from the back and go in with my hair growth spray. So that's going to be very, very simple, but I just want to do this and then put some wig on, moisturize my hair and put some wig on.
So this is what my head was looking after taking out the plastic wrap. You guys can see my skin and my forehead. They're two different. Like this hair treatment, I leave it in for way too long. So now I'm putting this conditioner, and I'm also adding a little bit of my onions oil into it because whilst I'm taking shower, I want to first wash the hair, and then I want to put this conditioner into the hair, leave it in, take shower, do other things underneath the shower, do my
So
foot
guys,
scrub
I'm done.
and get all of those
This is
done.
what my hair feels so soft. It feels so clean, and honestly my head was so itchy, like this sensation, when you have onions on your head, this sensation on your scalp, it was so itchy. And now that I've washed it out, it feels really good. So this is what my hair is looking like. I've already combed it out. I've put the conditioner. I leave it in for 10 minutes whilst I was doing other things underneath the shower. So I left the conditioner in and I just wash it out with cold water. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to allow it like this to hair dry on its own. I'm not going to put any towel or anything. So I'm just going to allow it to hair dry like this. And tomorrow I will go through the moisturizing process and everything, and then hopefully tomorrow I will have the time to do the wig installment. Yeah, so this is it. This is the finished result. Team Fullest, hope you all like this video. One thing that I want to also share with you, if you guys want your hair to grow massively, like you really want like you want like a fast hair growth, take onions. Okay, if you have a moisturizing shampoo, take onions, You can blend the onions, like really blend it, or you can just cut the onions in chunk, put it into your moisturizing shampoo, allow it to sit down for a couple of days, and use that to wash your hair. Maybe if you're somebody who always wash their hair, maybe twice a week, or depends on how you wash your hair, all depends on your hair routine. Trust me, that will help with hair growth. I've been experimenting this thing on my daughter's hair, my younger daughter, because you guys know I did big chop on her hair. For my oldest daughter, because she always wants to have like protective hairstyle, so for her I've been really experimenting with the hair growth spray with rosemary and other amazing ingredients, which you guys have seen that video on how her hair grow massively. Her hair is really long right now, and that is what I've been experimenting on her hair, my oldest. The younger one, I've been experimenting with just having a container like this. Whenever it's time for wash, I will cut some onions and put it in here and put my shampoo in it, and then allow it to sit for a couple of days. When I know, for example, if I know, okay, she'll have a protective hairstyle now for 2-3 weeks and I want to take it out, I will do this a week ahead, and then I will use this to wash her hair. And trust me, her scalp feels really clean. She doesn't have dandruff. She doesn't have any itchy problem. Her scalp feels really clean. And if you have issue with dandruff, try onions juice and ginger. Trust me, that will help. So I just want to share these quick tips with you guys. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I'll see you on my next video. So this is the finished result. This is what my hair is looking like, and it feels so good. It feels really clean. So now you guys just going to moisturize my skin and then go to bed. Allow my hair to dry a little bit and then go to bed, get myself ready for tomorrow. Thank you all so much. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat mij weten in de commentbox, of mijn telefoonnummer staat ook in de beschrijvingsbox. Dus voel je vrij om WhatsApp bericht te sturen. Feel free to send me a WhatsApp message. My telephone number is also in the description box, or leave a comment in the comment box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye.